Hello, I'm Swaylie and welcome to a keyboard build. Today is an amazing budget build from Drop, not sponsored, that gives you a sophisticated, sleek look and a nice feel without breaking the bank. First things first is the case. This is the Tokyo60. It's an HAKB style layout, 60% CNC aluminum keyboard. Now the Tokyo60 is a kit, meaning the PCB and the stabilizers all come together along with the case. Moving on to the stabilizers. Today I'm using the screw-ins that came with the kit, obviously. And I'm not going into depth on how to mod stabilizers. If you want that video, let me know. But this is that quick montage. Yeah, I just saved y'all 14 minutes. Say they look nice. Next is the switches. I'm going to be using the Moondrop XG2 Tactile Tessence. I'm using these switches. For all my nerds, it is a 5-pin switch with nylon housings and a palm stem. They sound nice stock, don't they? Oh, Alright, cue the switch montage. To top it off, we have the keycaps. I've chosen to go with the Artifact Shield Purple on Black keycaps. They are PBT cherry and I think it goes well with my overall aesthetic. I also got them for $5, so... So halfway through, I realized I did not have the right keycaps. Bro, okay, so ain't no way. I need a special key for here, here, and like here, and I don't have them in the set, so I don't know what to do. No cap. See what I did there? I was looking for a solution for like 30 minutes. Now what you've all been waiting for, my fully built Tokyo60. Oh, and here's the sound test.